Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Kap All Model A automatic quill type capper. As you can see, it's using 6 quills and it has a single set of container gripping belts. We have it moved all the way down to the table for storage reasons, keep it as low profile as possible. It has the cabinet style base. We do have the covers incidentally for the cabinet. We just had that open so you can see everything operating in there. Everything's running smooth and good. You'll see the crank in the front. That cranks the upper head, which holds the Kap centrifugal sorter and the tightening quills. And it operates these 2 screw jacks you see in the back to raise the head up to different container heights. The centrifugal sorter is working well. See right there. Everything's on, I think we're running on 223 phase. Everything is, that's your Kap feeder. This is for a bin, and of course the spindle speed right here. Turn them up and down. And of course the gripper speed. Everything is variable speed on it, which is a great feature to have. We can offer reconditioning on this unit if you're interested. We have everything in our stock from processing and packaging. And we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.